range of ETC embroidery machine underthreads. We have a wide selection of different types of underthreads. The reason why we have so many is that different operators and different machines require different types of thread. But to give you a basic background on the threads, and you can see the difference in them, we'll start off with this one here. This is our spun polyester Ticket 120 underthread. It's available in white and black. In fact, all of the threads we have here today are available in white and black. And this is a 10,000 meter cone. And the next one I'm going to show you is the Ticket 150. Now, when you compare the two different types of thread, you'll see that the Ticket 150 is a finer thread, and therefore it looks like you're getting less on the cone, but in actual fact they are both 10,000 meters. It's just the size of the cone is smaller because that's a thinner thread. We then move on from that to this one here. Now, this is the Gutermann Ticket 220 underthread. Again, it's a spun polyester underthread. But if you compare that to this one looks considerably smaller, but the quantity is the same. So this is 10,000 meters, this is 10,000 meters, but the reason why this one looks smaller is because the thread is thinner. So therefore you would get that much more on your bobbin. With the Gutermann you would get approximately 60% more on your bobbin than you would a Ticket 120. So if you want more longer running times without having to keep changing your bobbin, then the Gutermann 220 is the product to go for. But you can see from here 120, 150, 220 how the scale works out. The other thing that sometimes people ask for is a polyester cotton underthread. Now, the reason why they ask for the polycotton is the polycotton underthread is a very strong thread because it's a polyester coarse spun thread. Some of the older machines work better on this type of thread because they're harder running, and this is a very, very strong thread. Some people prefer this. Now, this is again 10,000 meters. It looks like there's more thread on the bobbin, but in actual fact it's just because of the ticket size and the softness of the thread. This is 100% cotton, and the reason why some people prefer the 100% cotton thread is because it gives you a very, very soft finish on the back of the embroidery. Then finally we go on to this one here. This is what we call the big cheese. This is a Ticket 180, and on this there's about 50 to 55,000 meters. This is ideal for people who just want to keep that on the bobbin winder and keep winding without having to change cones all the time. And this one also works out more cost effective because you're buying a big cone as opposed to buying several small cones. So that's the basic picture on the ETC underthreads.